The power of vertical gardening. Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, a creative and sustainable way to transform even the smallest spaces into lush, green havens. Have you ever felt like you don't have enough room to grow plants? Well, vertical gardening is here to change that. It's the perfect solution for small spaces, offering endless possibilities for urban dwellers, apartment owners, and anyone looking to maximize their gardening potential. Imagine stepping onto a balcony adorned with cascading greenery or entering a room where a living wall breathes life into the atmosphere. Vertical gardening isn't just practical, it's inspiring, and it brings beauty and functionality together like never before. Why vertical gardening is perfect for small spaces. Vertical gardening uses innovative techniques to grow plants upward rather than outward, making it ideal for compact areas. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment, have a small patio, or even just a bare wall, vertical gardens allow you to cultivate lush greenery without needing a traditional garden bed. They're perfect for maximizing limited square footage while adding charm to your surroundings. Take, for instance, a vertical herb garden in your kitchen, a simple setup of hanging pots filled with basil, parsley, and mint right at your fingertips. Or picture an outdoor vertical garden on your balcony, where ferns, succulents, and flowers thrive in beautifully stacked containers. Living walls, made up of a grid of planters, turn dull fences into vibrant works of art. These examples show how vertical gardening can transform unused vertical spaces into something stunning and practical. Benefits of vertical gardening. But what makes vertical gardening truly remarkable is its benefits. It's not just about saving space, it's about enhancing your lifestyle. By growing plants vertically, you're creating a green oasis that boosts mental well-being, improves air quality, and brings a touch of nature to your environment. Aesthetic value aside, vertical gardening also promotes sustainability. Growing your own food, even on a small scale, reduces your carbon footprint and reliance on store-bought produce. And let's not forget the ease of maintenance. Vertical gardens are designed for accessibility, meaning less bending, fewer weeds, and a more enjoyable gardening experience. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, vertical gardening opens the door to a greener, more beautiful way of living. Get creative with your small space and watch how vertical gardening transforms not just your surroundings, but your connection to nature. Stay tuned as we explore practical tips and ideas for building your very own vertical garden.